Welcome back students. Myself Madhubala Kute. This is my first video lecture on the fifth topic vectors from Mathematics paper 1. So students, today's topics are representation of vector, magnitude of a vector, types of vectors and scalar multiplication. Let us recall. See student, you have studied vectors in 11th standard in physics. So we'll revise again. Scalar quantity. A quantity which can be completely described by magnitude only is called a scalar quantity. ज्या क्वांटिटीसाठी फक्त मॅग्निट्यूडची गरज असते तिला स्केलर क्वांटिटी म्हटलंय. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मास, लेंथ, टेम्परेचर, एरिया, व्हॉल्यूम, टाइम, distance, speed, work and money etc. are the scalar quantity. बघा मास मेजर करताना आपल्याला फक्त मॅग्निट्यूडची गरज पडते, डिरेक्शनची नाही. तसंच लेंथ मेजर करताना किंवा आपलं टेम्परेचर मेजर करताना आपल्याला डिरेक्शन लागत नाही. म्हणजे ज्या क्वांटिटीसाठी फक्त मॅग्निट्यूडची गरज आहे तिला स्केलर क्वांटिटी म्हणतात. वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. अ क्वांटिटी which can be completely described both magnitude and direction is called a vector quantity. For example, displacement, velocity, force, electric field, acceleration, momentum, etc. See student, ज्या क्वांटिटी पूर्णपणे डिस्क्राइब करण्यासाठी मॅग्निट्यूड आणि डिरेक्शन दोघांची गरज असते त्याला वेक्टर क्वांटिटी म्हटलंय. जसं फोर्स अप्लाय करताना आपण कोणत्या डिरेक्शनने फोर्स अप्लाय करतो आणि किती अप्लाय करतोय यासाठी आपल्याला मॅग्निट्यूड आणि डिरेक्शन दोघांची गरज पडते, म्हणून त्या क्वांटिटीजला वेक्टर क्वांटिटी म्हटलंय. नाउ विल सी हाऊ टू रिप्रेझेंट अ वेक्टर. रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ वेक्टर. वेक्टर is represented by a directed line segment. The segment AB with direction from A to B denotes the vector AB bar and it is read as AB bar. See diagram student. AB bar vector is there. I have drawn it from A to B. So it is AB bar vector. Now in vector AB bar the point A is called initial point and B is called terminal point. See initial point म्हणजे जिथून त्या वेक्टरची सुरुवात होते त्याला initial point म्हटलंय आणि जिथे तो स्टॉप होतोय त्याला terminal point म्हटलंय. Vectors are generally denoted by A bar, B bar, C bar, etc. Now we'll see magnitude of vector. The magnitude or size or length of AB bar is denoted by mod of AB bar and is defined as the length of segment AB. That is mod of AB bar equals to length AB. See diagram student. AB vector I had drawn which is 5 centimeter. So length of AB bar is nothing but 5 centimeter. So from figure mod of AB bar equals to length AB equals to 5 centimeter. The magnitude of vector does not depend on its direction. बघा मी मेजर करताना A to B मेजर केलं तरी 5 centimeter असणार आणि B to A केलं तरी याची लेंथ 5 centimeter असणार. So the magnitude of vector does not depend on its direction. Now we'll see types of vectors one by one. Zero vector. Zero vector च्या नावातच definition आहे. See student, a vector whose initial and terminal points coincides is called a zero vector or we can say null vector also and it is denoted by 0 bar. म्हणजे स्टुडंट ज्या वेक्टरचं मॅग्निट्यूड 0 आहे त्याला आपण झिरो वेक्टर म्हणणार. द वेक्टर A bar represent a vector 0 and mod of A bar is nothing but 0. So it is a zero vector. Unit vector. त्याच्या नावातच पुन्हा डेफिनेशन आहे. Unit vector, a vector whose magnitude is unity, that is 1, is called a unit vector. The unit vector in the direction of given vector a bar is denoted by a cap. Co-initial and coterminous vectors. Vectors having same initial point are called co-initial vectors, whereas the vectors having same terminal point are called as coterminous vectors. See diagram, student. A bar and B bar I have drawn having common initial point or same initial point. So A bar and B bar are called as co-initial vectors. Similarly, I have drawn C bar and D bar whose end points or terminal points are at the same point. So they are called as coterminous vectors. So from figure, A bar and B bar are co-initial vectors and C bar and D bar are coterminous vectors. Equal vectors. बघा यात पण नावातच आहे. Equal vectors काय असतील? Two or more vectors are said to be equal vectors if they have same magnitude and direction. See student diagram. I have drawn A bar and B bar which is having same magnitude and as well as direction. So as mod of A bar equals to mod of B bar means length of both the vectors are equal and their directions are also same. So we will write it as A bar equals to B bar. Now I will draw one more vector C bar which is having magnitude same as that of A bar but having opposite direction. So such vectors are not equal, whose magnitudes are equal but directions are not same. So they are not equal vectors. Now one more vector is there, D bar. See, vector A bar and D bar having equal direction but different magnitudes. दोघांचे magnitudes वेगळे पण directions एक एक तरी सुद्धा ते equal vectors होणार नाहीत. See, here the directions of A bar and D bar are same but mod of A bar is not equal to mod of D bar म्हणजे त्यांचे magnitude equal नाही आहे. So A bar is not equal to D bar. Negative of a vector. If A bar is given vector, then negative vector A bar is a vector whose magnitude is same as that of A bar but whose direction is opposite to that of A bar. Then it is denoted by minus A bar. See diagram student, I have drawn two vectors having magnitude same but opposite direction. So the second vector is opposite to that of first vector. So we can write it as minus of A bar, that is the negative of a vector. Collinear vectors. Vectors are said to be collinear vectors if they are parallel to the same line or they are along the same line. See diagram student, in diagram A bar and B bar are two parallel vectors, or see the vector AC bar where A bar and B bar lies along the same line. So they are also called as collinear vectors. Free vectors. If a vector can be translated anywhere in space without changing its magnitude and direction, then such a vector is called free vector. See diagram student, A bar is a vector, B bar is another vector. See, their directions are different. Now, if we translate them anywhere without changing its magnitude and direction, then we can say they are the free vectors. So, see here, A bar is a pink vector and B bar is a blue vector without changing its magnitude and direction. So, they are called the free vectors. So, in other words, the initial point of free vector can be taken anywhere in the space keeping magnitude and direction same. Now we'll see localized vector. For a key vector of a given magnitude and direction, if its initial point is fixed in space, then such a vector is called as localized vector. For example, if there are two stationary cars A and B on the road. See diagram, student, car A is there and car B is there. They are in fixed position on the road. If we apply a force to the car A, then it is called as localized vector. See, since its initial point is fixed, so it is called as localized vector, while the B car is not affected, so it is not a localized vector. Next example, write the following vectors in terms of vectors P bar, Q bar and R bar by using diagram. See student, in diagram triangle ABC is given. Now we'll see solution. So the vector P bar represent vector AB bar. The vector Q bar represent the vector BC bar and the vector R bar represent the vector AC bar. Now we will write AB bar as P bar. See, P bar represent vector AB bar. Now BA bar means having same magnitude but different direction. So we will write it as minus P bar. Similarly, BC bar, Q bar represent BC bar. So BC bar equals to Q bar and CB bar is opposite to BC bar. So we will write it as minus Q. CA bar represent the vector R bar. So CA bar equals to R bar and AC bar which is in opposite direction. So we will write it as minus R bar. Scalar multiplication. Let A bar be any vector and K be any scalar. Then the vector Ka bar, that is the scalar multiple, is defined as vector whose magnitude is mod of Ka bar equals to mod K into mod A. See diagram student, I have drawn A bar vector and the second vector, that is 2 times A bar, which is having same directions. So 2 times A bar is a scalar multiple of A bar. So A bar and Ka bar have same direction if K is positive. Now I will draw third vector which is opposite in direction that of A bar. So which is nothing but minus of A bar, which is in opposite direction, means when K is less than 0. The vectors A bar and Ka bar have same direction if K is positive and opposite direction if K is negative. So which is a scalar multiplication of vectors. Note, if K equals to 0, then Ka bar is 0 bar, which is nothing but 0 vector. Next, A bar and Ka bar are collinear or parallel vectors. From above diagram, we can say that vectors are parallel vectors. The two non-zero vectors A bar and B bar are collinear or parallel if A bar equals to M B bar, where M is non-zero and M is a scalar. Means we can say the two vectors are collinear if they are scalar multiple of each other. While solving example, we have to use this condition A bar equals to M B bar. Next, let A cap be the unit vector along non-zero vector A bar. Then this A bar we can write as mod of A bar into A cap, or the unit vector A cap equals to A bar upon mod of A bar. While finding the unit vector, we will use this formula. Next, a vector of length k in the same direction as A bar is Ka bar equals to k into A bar upon mod of A bar. So, we'll see example on it. Find a vector in the direction of A bar equals to I bar minus 2j bar that has magnitude 7 unit. Solution. So, given student A bar equals to I cap minus 2j cap. Therefore, mod of A bar, that is modulus of A bar, equals to under root 1 square plus minus 2 square, which is equal to under root 1 plus 4 equals to root 5. Now using above formula, A cap equals to A bar upon mod of A bar. Substituting the values, A bar is I cap minus 2j cap upon mod of A bar is root 5. This is the unit vector. Now we have to find out a vector in the direction of A bar that has magnitude 7 unit. So, which is nothing but 7 upon root 5 into I cap minus 2j cap.